understanding how crystals function. Crystals and stones have been valued across cultures for centuries. Beyond their aesthetic appeal and use in jewelry, they are often associated with energy movement and manipulation. Crystals possess a property known as piezoelectricity. Piezoelectricity is a significant reason why many crystals are used to transmit energy in various technologies, including computers and phones. In addition to transmitting energy, crystals can absorb, enhance, or interact with the natural energies of living beings or objects, potentially producing specific effects. The chemical composition of each stone influences how its energy interacts with a person's natural energy. Individual responses to different stones may vary due to these unique energetic interactions. For instance, although rose quartz and smoky quartz belong to the same mineral family, their distinct formations and compositions result in different energetic properties. Additional resources are available for those interested in exploring crystal energies and structures in greater depth, including topics such as piezoelectricity, the scientific structure of crystals, the use of quartz in technology, and the natural formation process of crystals. The influence of crystal shape on energy. Crystals are often shaped for specific uses, whether for jewelry, meditation, or other practices. Common shapes include spherical, tumbled, pointed, and obelisk forms. The shape of a crystal can influence how its energy is directed or emitted. Pointed crystals are typically used when energy needs to be focused in a specific direction. If a crystal has multiple points, energy may be directed along each point. This also applies to naturally formed crystal clusters. Raw or natural crystals, which may include naturally pointed forms, tend to emit energy in multiple directions and frequencies, influenced by their unique growth patterns. Spherical crystals, such as those used for scrying or divination, emit energy evenly in all directions. The smoother and more symmetrical the sphere, the more uniform the energy emission. Tumbled stones, which are smooth but not perfectly round, behave similarly to spheres, though their energy emission may be less uniform. Obelisk-shaped crystals, with a flat base and pointed top, are designed to direct energy upward and are often used for grounding and focused energy work. Practical applications of crystals. Crystals may be incorporated into meditation, arranged in crystal grids, or used to align and balance the body's natural energy points, sometimes referred to as chakras. They are also used for purposes such as emotional support, healing, focus, grounding, communication, and cleansing. Some individuals create amulets, keychains, or keepsakes from crystals, or prepare gem elixirs, though it is important to note that some stones are not safe to place in water. The range of possible uses for crystals is extensive, and new applications continue to emerge. Additional considerations for crystal use. Certain stones may be toxic or damaged by water. It is advisable to consult reliable resources for information on which crystals should not be exposed to water and the reasons for these precautions. Quartz is often considered a universal substitute in metaphysical practices and technology. It can be programmed with intent or data, making it versatile for personal, healing, or magical purposes. When purchasing crystals online, it is recommended to select reputable sellers with positive reviews and to confirm the exact measurements of the product. Insurance for fragile items may also be beneficial. Cleansing methods should be chosen based on the specific properties of each stone, as some may fade in sunlight, dissolve in water, or react with salt. Researching appropriate cleansing techniques is important. Lab-created crystals with the same chemical composition as natural ones may differ in the frequency and strength of the energy they emit. However, both types can be cleansed and used for various purposes. To locate crystal or mineral stores, searching terms such as crystal, mineral, or metaphysical on online maps may yield helpful results. After acquiring a new stone, it is generally considered best practice to cleanse it, as it may have absorbed energies during formation or handling. If discomfort, fatigue, or other adverse effects are experienced during metaphysical use of a stone, cleansing the stone before further use is recommended.